Here I have OnePlus Nord CE 2 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, and here in the just photo mode you have to hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will begin. So let me show you. Hold down shutter button and start the burst shot. So as you can see, I took like 20 shots right now by tapping on this button. I can review them all here. And as you can see, that's how burst shot works on this device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.